Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My first international book, Nuclear Deterrence and Conflict Management Between India and Pakistan, published by Peter Lang, New York, in December 2020. You are going to watch a short promo prepared by my student, to whom I am extremely grateful. Watch.
The relationship between India and Pakistan has long been shaped by conflict, mistrust, and the looming shadow of nuclear weapons. But what does the future hold for two nations locked in a delicate balance of power? In Nuclear Deterrence and Conflict Management between India and Pakistan, Dr. Haque Shamsi explores the complex choreography of war and peace between these two nuclear neighbors. Does deterrence truly prevent war, or does it amplify the risk of catastrophic miscalculation? A must-read for those shaping South Asia's future, seeking resolution, not just the management of disputes. Available now at Peter Lang Publishers.